What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 311. I've been going through my collection. I've said this in a couple of episodes already. Going through my collection, trying to find stuff that I haven't tasted yet, which seems really weird because I have so much stuff. But because I have so much stuff, there's stuff that just went out. Like the Humpack vodka, I've literally had that for months, still sealed. No idea why I haven't had it on the show. No clue whatsoever. But this is another one, the Double Vice from Roots and Wings, their Espresso Vodka. I saw them post it the other day and I'm like, how have I tasted this one? I have a lot of coffee liqueurs in the collection from all the tastings, the big tastings, so on and so forth. I have a lot of coffee liqueurs and coffee flavored things. So I'm surprised it fell through the cracks, but I'm also not surprised it fell through the cracks. They make so many SKUs. Rebekah and the team at Roots and Wings are constantly sort of developing and pushing and developing and pushing and developing and pushing. And this is one of them that I can't believe that I had missed. I'm just going to adjust the camera smidge there. There we go. That's better. I can center it up now. Their coffee infused vodka, they use tons of it. It's such a fantastic product. I have tasted this before, obviously. And I think coffee is such a fantastic balancer out for the style that they do, because their vodka is corn and wheat based. No, corn and potatoes, sorry. Potatoes and corn and potatoes. So super creamy, big mouthful, a little bit of funk, beautiful, like almost fruity sweetness to it. And then this coffee just like dries the hell out of it. On the nose, just coffee. Gorgeous. It's very light. Like I said, that corn and potato base is just a fantastic vodka base for this product. Then you get this beautiful bitterness, roasty, chicory sort of notes, little cocoa in there, super dry. Like there's no residual sweetness to this. I think this sits at 40%, it does. 40% alcohol. This is a coffee flavored vodka without being sweet. It's really, really, really flavorful. Chewy. It tastes like coffee. I've talked about this before, about coffee and spirits and stuff, especially here in BC. Coffee and spirits needs to be heavily roasted, big, bold flavors to really pull through in that extraction, or just that fruity acidity really gets funky and nasty really quickly because there's just so much volatility in those flavor profiles. This, it's super just to the point. You know it's coffee. It's going to put hair on your chest. Well, hopefully it doesn't put hair on your chest, but it's going to give you what you need for your White Russians and your shafts and stuff like that. The Double Vice from Roots and Wings. Can't believe I missed it. I'm sorry. Tomorrow's episode is the same thing. I can't believe I missed it. Thanks as always for the support, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.